Good morning students. Now this is the second type of polymer. Now we are seeing some polymers. The first one is the natural rubber, which is already learned by us in the last lecture. Now this is the second polymer, that is polythene. Now this is also very important polymer in our daily life. Now polythene, as the name suggests, it is the polymer of ethylene, or in IUPAC ethene. Now you know the ethylene having the carbon-carbon double bond into that CH2 double bond CH2, that is the alkene. Now these polythenes are very commonly used. So it is the polythene is the simplest and most commonly used hydrocarbon thermoplastic, having structure. Now this is the structure of polythene. Many CH2 units are joined to each other. Now these polythenes are of two types: low density polythene and high density polythene. In a low density polythene, both have the low density polythene and high density polythene both have the same monomer, that is the ethene. But in a low density polythene, what happen? In low density polythene, there is the free radical addition mechanism, and there is the intramolecular hydrogen extraction, due to which what happen? Branching is more into low density polymer, and due to the branching, these molecules are loosely held of low density polymer, and so they have the low density or less density. Now see, the IUPAC name of polyethylene or polyethylene is polythene. Now ethylene is the common name of the monomer ethene. So polyethylene, this is the common name of polythene, but the IUPAC name is the polythene. Many ethene molecules branched or get added or polymerized to form this polymer, that is the polythene. Now polythene is of two types or two kinds, namely low density polythene and high density polythene HDP. Low density polythene is obtained by polymerization of ethene or ethylene under high pressure. The pressure is about 1000 to 2000 atmosphere pressure required to prepare the low density polythene, and the temperature required is about 350 Kelvin to 570 Kelvin temperature is required, and this reaction is carried out in a very less amount, that is traces of oxygen or peroxide as the initiator. Now very low amount of oxygen or traces amount of oxygen is required for the preparation of low density polythene. Now see here on the blackboard how the ethylene or ethene get polymerized to form the low density polymer. Here traces of oxygen or traces of peroxide is required, and the temperature is about 350 to 570 Kelvin, and 1000 to 2000 atmospheric pressure, very high pressure is required for the synthesis of this low density polymer. Now what is in this reaction? Now this reaction is carried out by the free radical mechanism or free radical addition reaction, and there is abstraction of hydrogen atom, intramolecular abstraction of the hydrogen atom, due to which branching is produced into that or branching is prepared, and as a result the chains are loosely held of low density polymers. The chains of the low density polymers are loosely held as they are branching, and therefore the polymer have the low density. So they are called as the low density polymer or LDP. Now how actually happen in this preparation of low density polymer? Now suppose this is the that is one of the monomer, ethene suppose. Now this hydrogen, one hydrogen is formed here, there is the free radical of hydrogen, but the another hydrogen of this carbon atom, now there is also free radical mechanism, and this hydrogen is get abstracted by this carbon free radical here, this hydrogen, and there is again one odd electron on that carbon or on this carbon where there is first hydrogen, that is it is also the free radical, and the termination is carried out by using the another alkyl group. Now this alkyl group get attached here, there is again the addition of the two free radicals, and there is formation of the covalent bond between the alkyl group and the chain, and due to what there is the branching is observed, and therefore the branched product is obtained, and that branch product or branched chain are so many branch chains are there, and that branch chains have very loosely they are held to each other, and due to that the density of this polymer becomes low. And what are the properties now this low density polymer? Low density polymer films are extremely flexible, and but they are tough. The films of low density polymers are extremely flexible, but they are the tough and chemically inert, and moisture resistance, that is no effect of moisture or water on that, and it is poor conductor of electricity. Low density polymers are poor conductor of electricity and having the melting point about 110 degree centigrade. Now let us study which are the uses of these low density polymers.